I'm Hazel with XS-Stock. The best Christmas memories involve the Christmas tree, so why not get one your loved ones will never forget with the luxury decorated pine tree. This artificial Christmas tree is made from a lasting and durable PVC and PE material, ensuring it will be around for many Christmases to come. It's shaped to look like a classic pine tree and is complete with beautiful and natural looking berries and pine cones. At a stunning 6 foot tall, it features 703 tips, which is more than enough room to feature your most treasured ornaments and keepsakes. It also has 150 warm white lights, which provides a real cosy and inviting glow. The 6 foot luxury decorated pine tree is also super easy to assemble, so you will have it up and making Christmas memories in no time. It's also available to buy in a larger 7 foot size as well. Have a very Merry Christmas with the luxury decorated pine tree. Enjoy and thanks for watching.